Hi, Kim Stanley here, your downsizing specialist. And if you're like many of my clients, you may be struggling with what I call doing the downsize dance. That's when you decide you're going to make a downsize move, you get started on decluttering and making decisions about what to keep and tossing a lot of things out. You're excited at first, you get started on an area of your home, and then you get stuck. You get pulled away on something else, and when you come back, it looks like you haven't made any progress, and it does look overwhelming. So maybe you wait a while and then you go to another area of your home and you start decluttering that area and making decisions. And then you get pulled away. And this goes back and forth for a while. And when you step back and look after a few months, you feel like you haven't made any progress. So I want to give you a few tips to help you overcome that dance and that overwhelm. Number one, like any important appointment, put your downsizing and decluttering process on your calendar. It's an appointment with yourself, with your home, with your stuff, and most important, with your downsized lifestyle in the future. Number two, if you're going to be working on a room in your home, start out just working on one small area of that room. For example, if you're working in your study, try just clearing off your desk one day, or one shelf, or one file drawer. You'll feel so much more progress when you start out small. Number three, take a before picture. When you take a before picture, you're going to be able to see your progress afterwards so much better. And number four, when you're getting started, don't go it alone. Enlist the help of a friend, an accountability partner, or a downsizing coach to help you make progress, stay on track, and feel like you really have momentum. So roll up your sleeves, dig in, and use those 4 tips to really help you keep on track with your downsizing goals.